Welcome to my latest video. In this video, we're going to fix a Colourcast on a portrait. So if I lift the portrait and bring it into Photoshop, we have got a slight green Colourcast on this image. We wish to correct it. And we wish to also have the ability to fine-tune it to our taste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how that's done very quickly. Very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create an adjustments, and we go down here to our adjustments and click, and we will select curves. From curves, what we want to do is we want to select the middle eyedropper, and there are three, so we're going to select the middle one. And from the middle one, we're going to look for an area which we know is white. So in this case, the whites of the eyes. So if we click on the whites of the eyes, we have got a result. That result can be considered very, very warm. And what I'm going to actually do is show you that we can adjust the opacity. And I'm going to try the opacity at 50%. And let's just change that to 60%. 60% looks fine. And I will be happy at 60%. Thank you for watching. I hope that this particular video has showed you how to fix a Colourcast on your portrait images very quickly. And I would appreciate that you would subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for more tips and tricks. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. I hope you gained some knowledge from it. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and give it a little like. Thank you very much.